closing on 2 a.m. The ghost of your reflection on the glass. I wasn't looking for a spark. Then you laughed and let the moment pass. The yellow lines are blurred beneath the tires. We're chasing shadows down the interstate. I used to think that I was built of stone until you looked at me and changed the way. The air inside this car is getting thick. The cooling wind is rushing through my head. I'm terrified of how it feels to fall, but even more of staying where we were. And oh, it's like a movie that I've seen 1,000 times, but now the colors are exploding in my mind. We're driving through the memory of a summer yet to come. My heart is beating faster than the distance we have run. Just a sudden